The other parts of the menus that we have, so it's going to be these two parts here that shows our model and layout, and later on I will talk about them, what the model means, what the layout means. In simple word is that when we want to draw our object, we do it in the model section, and when we want to create the 2D views of that, we will go to the layout. So layout is more like when we want to do the printing or prepare our drawing for the printing. When you are here, one things that we may want to do is that if you right click here, it opens the menu. Sorry, yeah, right click, and then if you click on the drafting standard setup here, if you click on drafting standard setup, it will bring you this menu here, and uh, this menu, the one thing that we want to use it is the first angle or third angle. Remember when talk about the first angle, the third angles, that we in the US and in Canada, they're using the third angle view, while almost every other places in the world are using the first angle view. And because, well, when I started, I used the template for the metric, it chose the first angle view. If I had chosen the English unit, it would have chosen the third angle view. So this is where we can choose the first angle and third angle. And remember, I will talk about that later. Choosing the first angle or third angle is not going to make any change on whatever we draw. It's going to only change when we want to create the 2D views for the printing. It's not going to make any changing here. So again, one more time, you can come here, right clicking and draft in standard setup, and it will bring it up. And if I am right here, also you can come here on this menu. It's a view tab here. Also, if you click on the very small arrow here, it will bring the same menu up as well, so you can use it.